For breakfast, I'm having a literal hot dog, but it kind of broke into half when I added cucumbers. Hi guys, my name is Eliza and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm gonna take you along through my Sunday reset routine. I did this routine back in school months and this will guarantee you the most productive upcoming week yet. Like every time I did this routine, the next week was super duper productive because you gotta start on Sunday, not on Monday, because Mondays are the busiest, you can say, of the week. We gotta make Sunday the busiest and the most productive so the next week can be even more productive. The ultimate Sunday reset routine to have your most productive week yet. The first thing on the Sunday reset routine is to do your morning routine. Do the most productive morning routine you have on your list. I have heard that you need to make 2 morning routines, evening routines, and they depend on the mood you are in the day and the way you are feeling. For example, you wake up and you feel grumpy, tired, sad, angry, just don't feel like doing all the things. Then you have a routine that is a little less than your productive and your highest morning routine. And you just do a couple of things to get the day started and just not lay in bed. But then are the days when you wake up and you feel energetic and you know you can do the morning routine, and that is the most productive morning routine. So it's for bad days and good days. You have to start Sunday morning productively. I already did and filmed my morning routine. I just did not film all of the steps. I drink water in the morning, I stretch, I meditate, I journal, then I make myself some breakfast, watch TV while I eat, and I do have these slow mornings, which I absolutely love. I'd like to introduce you guys to one app that has helped me to stay productive and track all of my daily habits. The app is called Daily. It's an iOS app that helps you track your minimal habits or big habits. So here's my page. I don't have all of my habits written down yet, but I have manifestation, meditation, reading, Spanish Duolingo, which I have to complete today, then workout. You can add literally anything. That could be actions simply as reading and checking it off, or measurements like tracking your daily steps, and you can sync it to Apple Health as well. It has different type of display styles, themes, and app colors. I chose the heat map one, visual overview of habits, consistency at a glance. I love the colors and the cubes. Again, when you add a habit, let's add action. Let's make this a short video. That would be a daily habit that I would love to achieve every day. As you can see, you have a bunch of different emojis to add to your video, which is so cute. I love the style of these emojis. It already picked the perfect one out for me. Difference of color palettes. I love the pastel ones, and it appeared. So on Thursday I did not film. Friday I did not film. Yesterday I did film. And today is a mystery, but I absolutely love this app. It will help me with all my habit tracking. Actually, I've been trying hard to find the perfect app for me that would fit all of my habit tracking, and Daily was the perfect for me, so I highly suggest you try it out and see for yourself how it helps on your daily routine. The next step on the Sunday reset routine is probably my favorite and least favorite at the same time, is cleaning up your environment, because clean space around you equals clean mind in your head. Hello everybody. Yeah, this is like my everyday outfits at home, which you probably know, guys. Now it's time for cleaning, and the first ones are gonna be the guinea pigs because they're the stinkiest of them all. In my videos, I try to show the most realistic, whether it be my outfits, my look, everything I do, and this is the reality. This is reality. And for the best cleanups, of course, we have our beloved Spotify, and we're gonna put on some hype music. Let's do Michael Jackson. Look at that little girl. She's taking me sneak peeks of what I'm doing. I'm gonna come closer, she's gonna run back inside, right? Yeah, I couldn't even touch her. But the cage is finally clean. Guinea pigs are clean, and now it's time to change the bed sheets. Whoop, it's all pretty and clean. Now I just have to clean up my trash bin, clean up the dust, and then we're gonna vacuum the whole house. And that is it for cleaning up. And one of the last parts of the cleaning point is vacuuming the house. Let's start. Hi there, I am back. I did take a quick break after I finished cleaning everything, and now it's time for the third step of the Sunday reset routine, which is planning. One of the best things you can do on a Sunday. Plan your week ahead. I'm gonna take my beloved journal. I just opened up a blank page where I'm gonna plan the upcoming week, which for me is gonna be quite crazy because, as I mentioned before, I'm going to my dream concert, but that is not all. I just have to do a lot of things before the concert. Look what happened while I was journaling. Something fell upside down and she's peacefully sleeping. Let's talk about some tips for journaling and planning ahead for the next week. So your main goal would be writing down all the main events and plans for the week and dividing all of the important work throughout the weekdays. For example, posting a video on a Wednesday, meeting up with friends on a Monday, etc. That will give you a visible overview of the upcoming week, and you will see which days are more free for you and which ones are busier. If it's a weekly planner, not a daily one, there is no need to write down all of the small daily habits like going on for a walk and doing a workout. That will just mess with your mind. Now I'm gonna do a quick 10-minute workout. Just check it off my habit tracker that I showed you previously in the video, the app that I use. And after that comes the craziest workout of all, the everything shower. And if you guys know, you know, everything showers are making you sweat a lot. Workout is complete, and now I'm gonna gather all of my products for my everything shower. So the first thing I'm gonna take is my CeraVe cleanser. I'm gonna go with this green products. Then I will take my exfoliating brush. You rub it on your skin right before you hop into the shower. On dry skin, that is before the shower, you go in circular motions from bottom to top, and I suppose it will help you with lymphatic drainage and blood circulation throughout your body, which is what we want. Guys, oh my goodness, I literally forgot that I still had... I thought... I'm literally blind. Like, I have glasses on, but I am blind. Because I thought I finished them like a while ago, but I still have 2 pairs. Oh. How in the world? I was actually, a couple of days ago, I think so, I was thinking about them. And I was like, damn, so sad that I finished them already. I did not finish my eye patches. They were just inside this drawer and I did not see them. I'm in the bathroom. I just forgot to take off my necklace. The first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off my makeup, starting with the Vanilla Co. oil-based cleanser. I absolutely love this. This was a gift from my friend on Christmas. As you can see, it's Christmas themed. We're not gonna think about Christmas, but you just grab with the spoon a little bit of the pretty much of the product and apply it on your face. This is how I do it. And just spread it on my both cheeks, nose, forehead. Just start rubbing in circular motion into your face, and it will take off your makeup. As you can see, it turns into oil. Out of the shower, eye patches are on and hair is clean and dry in the towel. And the last thing for the Sunday reset routine is relaxation. Relax, guys. Watch some Netflix, YouTube, read a book, grab a chip. Just sit down, relax, do nothing. That is a great way to wind down and prepare for the upcoming week. And this is gonna be the end of this video. I finished reading, but I hope you enjoyed this Sunday reset routine video, and maybe you can take some of the steps and add it into your routine and see for yourself if the next week is productive or not. But yeah guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, EliStar, and see you in the next video. Bye!